Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to export bookmarks from Zen browser step by step. If you want to create a backup of your bookmarks or transfer them to another browser, this tutorial will guide you through the entire process. Let's get started. First, open Zen browser on your computer. Once the browser is open, click the menu button in the top right corner. From the menu, select Bookmarks. Next, open the Bookmarks library. If you don't see it in the menu, simply press Ctrl+Shift+O on your keyboard to open the library window. Inside the library, you'll find all your saved bookmarks. On the left side, you'll see sections like Bookmarks Toolbar, Bookmarks Menu, and Other Bookmarks. Now, look at the top of the window and click Import and Backup. A drop-down menu will appear. If you see Export Bookmarks to HTML, click on it. Next, choose the folder where you want to save the exported bookmark file. You can keep the default file name or enter a new one if you'd like. Then click Save. Your bookmarks will now be exported as an HTML file. This file can be used as a backup or imported into another browser whenever you need it. However, if you click Import and Backup and export bookmarks to HTML is not available, don't worry. Some versions of Zen browser don't include this feature. In that case, you may need to update Zen browser to the latest version or use Firefox's bookmark tools if your Zen browser version is based on Firefox and supports them. Once the export is complete, open the folder where you saved the file to make sure the HTML file is there. That's it. You've successfully learned how to export bookmarks from Zen browser. If this video helped you, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.